Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2010 Nissan Frontier. This four-door, five-passenger truck provides exceptional value. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 4-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear step bumper, a bedliner, and more. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.